Welcome to A.D. Barnes's Real Estate Homebuyers Course guide, designed to empower you as a prospective homebuyer in the changing landscape of the real estate industry. With the upcoming National Association of Realtors, NAR Settlement, set to take effect in July 2024, the dynamics of home buying are shifting, and it's crucial for you to be informed and prepared. This comprehensive course guide will guide you through the home buying process, from understanding the implications of the new NAR settlement to navigating the various steps involved in purchasing a home on your own without the representation of a traditional real estate agent. The real estate landscape is poised for a transformative shift with the impending National Association of Realtors (NAR) settlement concerning the Buyer's Agents Commission, scheduled to take effect in July 2024. This settlement will redefine the dynamics between home buyers and real estate buyers' agents, placing the onus of agent commissions directly and squarely on the shoulders of buyers. The long-standing practice of sellers shouldering the costs for both their own seller's agent and the buyer's agent will become a relic of the past, as home buyers will now need to factor these large expenses into their overall home buying budgets. This reform is aimed at fostering greater transparency and equity within the real estate industry, empowering buyers with a clearer understanding of the true costs associated with their home purchase. However, this paradigm shift also necessitates a more proactive approach from prospective homeowners, as they can no longer rely solely on the traditional real estate agent model to navigate the intricate home buying process. Buyers will need to take a more hands-on role, equipping themselves with the necessary knowledge and resources to successfully navigate this new landscape. This course provides in-depth insights into the NAR settlement's impacts, equipping you, the home buyer, with the necessary knowledge and tools to thrive in the new home buying landscape. You'll learn to research neighborhoods, obtain mortgage pre-approval, and conduct home searches independently while understanding the financial responsibilities you'll now bear. By the end, you'll have the skills and confidence to successfully purchase a home without relying on a traditional real estate agent.